Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to write a cold email. However, in the beginning, we are going to talk about 2-3 pointers that we need to keep in mind while writing a cold email and while sending them. So let's begin. First and foremost, you should be very specific. See, the person who will be receiving that cold email, probably they're going to get 200 to 300 cold emails per day, or in weekly they get a lot of cold emails. How you can stand out with your resume, with your process of reaching out, it's up to you. So you need to be very specific. If you're reaching out to a big four for an internship, and you are not specifying if you need an internship in HR or marketing, or which department you want to join, then they won't respond to you because you're not specific with your thoughts and opinions, like with what you really want. You're not clear about that. That means you do not have experience, so they will not get back to you in that case. Second is, you need to work on your CV. So if you are applying for the HR position, your CV should be accordingly managed. If you have done n number of internships and you've added all of them on the front page, and the person probably who's going to get have a look at that at your CV, they are going to check the first page and then they won't have much time to go through all the details. Then you need to add the particular thing that you're applying for. If you have some experience in the HR domain or in the marketing, then you need to add it in the very first page. So be very clear and update your resume with before attaching it and before reaching out to that person. Third and foremost is the most important one. See, I am very sure that a lot of us already know about these procedures, and we always reach out to people and we do not get response. I also did not get response in my early days. So what I'm suggesting you is, if you are applying for a job and if you are applying for internship and that is the position that you know that is open, and you have seen that on their website page or the career page, there you are very sure about that. So what you need to do is, you need to reach out to them and you need to attach the link along with the CV and along with your cold email, whether you are emailing them on LinkedIn, or whether you are sending them an email or you are sending a Gmail or email. So what you need to do, you need to be very precise with your thoughts and keep it to the point. And what the prompt I'm going to provide you, that is going to help you a lot, whether you are using Gemini or you are using Chat GPT. Both of them will work. But before that, we need to go into the details, like what kind of cold email will really work. So the third point that I'm going to talk about is the most important. If you already know that this position is open and all you need is just a referral, so what you need to do, you need to take the link of that job opening, and you need to take your CV, the updated one, and your cold email that is very precise and to the point. And then you go and cold email that person on LinkedIn and you tell them that I think my skills and capabilities, they are very suitable for this job role, and I have this much experience in this particular domain. And I think I'll be a good fit. If it would be great if you could refer me for this role. Now you have CV, you have cold email, you have the link as well. They don't need to do a lot of research for you. They will think, yeah, this person has done all the homework. Then I need to help this person. And let me tell you one more thing. We always think that they are doing a favor for us. Yeah, it is a kind of favor if they refer you, but if you are a suitable candidate and they are referring you, it means that they get commissions for that. They all get some sort of commission for that, whatever it is, like 2% or I don't know. So they get some sort of commission on that. That's why they are referring you. So don't be so burdened about that. If they are not referring you, it's okay. Someone else will. So 3 points. Make sure that you are focusing on these 3 pointers. There shouldn't be any error or anything on your CV. One mistake that you should not make, that I made, was you shouldn't copy the content from ChatGPT. Even if you have personalized it on ChatGPT, you shouldn't copy it and paste it on Gmail. You should first of all maintain a Word document. You should create different columns. You should create an Excel sheet. You should write about all the opportunities that you have applied and all the HR managers that you have reached out to, and write about all the cold emails from different perspectives and for different job roles that you want to apply to. So then create a Word document and then write all those things. make sure that you're not copy pasting the content from ChatGPT to email, because it will be very clear. They will catch that very easily. So be very sure and cautious about it. Don't make this mistake that I made. Now, what I'm going to tell you is, you can see on the screen. I will add it later on. So this will be the prompt that you are going to use if you are a fresher. So whatever I'm creating is for the college students and for the freshers to help them. I grabbed 3 internships in my second or third year when I was applying for Big Four internships. Ultimately, I did not go for it. That was my personal choice. But I got internships offers, and I got 3 offers, and I did not go for it. However, if you think that it is suitable for you and that the location is okay for you and all these things like transportation and everything, so if it is convenient for you, then you should definitely go for it. And if you're getting your desired role, of course. So this video, I think, is going to help you a lot. Take this reference and take some help from ChatGPT, take some help from your seniors, ask them how they did it. Also, make sure if you have some senior or your alumni or some friend or your network, someone in your network, then you can definitely reach out to them and ask for a referral. That would be much easier for you. And they can also refer you in their own company. That was it in today's video. And you will see some cold emails that I have already attached and I've also used, and I hope it really helps you and you get your desired role and you get some opportunity. And if you get it, if this video could help you at least any one of you, that would be wonderful for me. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. And if you like the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. And also comment down below and let me know if it helps you. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.